What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today was not a very good day for me so far because Bitcoin just dumped again. And I look and my portfolio's down another $1,000 again. And it just sucks waking up every day and your portfolio is further and further down. But there is some good news. I don't think this is going to last. I didn't even think it was going to go down to 38. And it didn't. It went down to 39, though. I wasn't expecting it to go under 40. But it just had to go right under 40 just to prove me a little bit wrong. But that's okay. I'm not worried about that too much. I did want to show you guys this. This is some interesting piece of information that I found. And this is all about Bitcoin futures. And I was looking to see if there was a CME gap down there. And I couldn't find one. So we have a summary here of basically 5 minutes, 15 minutes, when to buy, sell. 15 minutes is strong sell. 30 minutes, strong sell. 1 hour, strong sell. 2 hours, strong sell. Oh, 4 hours only sell. The daily, we're in the sell. Weekly, hey, we're neutral on the week. Let's look about the month. Oh, monthly says buy time still, guys. That's what we're not looking at. When in doubt, zoom out. And this is me just giving you guys a little bit of encouragement, and myself kind of, because I need it. Okay, the oscillators were still neutral, but the summary is buy. Bitcoin has never been in a better position to be widely and massively adopted, which means the price will go up. Okay, oscillators there. Look at this one. Moving averages, strong buy. Well, let's look. Okay, the relative strength index. Okay, it's at 60, neutral. Or okay, that's on the month. Okay, that's kind of cool. Stochastic? I think, yeah, and stochastic? I think the C and the H are silent. Stochastic? I don't know. I've never heard that word before. Commodity, and I don't know what that is if I've never heard the word before. So, commodity channel index 20. Okay, I don't know what that is either. Average directional index, but they're all neutral, so it's not bad. The awesome oscillator is the one you saw up here. Oscillator. And then you have momentum saying to sell, but that's 10. That's like the 10-day moving average, I think. And then the MACD level, look how 94.20, I don't know what that is, like 12, 26 months possibly. And this is 10 months? I think that's what it is. It was 10 months ago, it was at 21,000. I think that's what it was. No? We're in September of yeah, I think September of last year. Yeah, I think we were right around 20,000. We were actually going up. So, and moving average. This is what I wanted you guys to see. Exponential moving average 10-day says to buy. Simple moving average 10-day says to sell. Exponential moving average says to buy 20-day. Simple moving average 20-day says to buy. Exponential moving average 30 days says to buy. Simple moving average 30 days says to buy. Well, the reason it doesn't have all of these is because this is the monthly. So that actually is 30 months. 30 months. Wait, that's 12, 24. That's almost 3 years. So I don't know. I guess out of 3 years, the exponential moving average is $25,000, I guess. I don't know. 30 months? I don't know. Let's go see if it changes when I go up here and change it from to a day. Now let's go down here and see, does this change? Yeah, it changes a lot. So now you have the 10-day moving average exponential, which is 45,000. Ooh, above where we're at now. Simple moving average 45,000. So look at this. We're below almost every moving average except this one right here. This is actually wrong. Exponential moving average 200, we are above. So when in doubt, zoom out again. This is pretty cool. If you guys want to come over and check this out, this website is TradingView. But I looked up, let's go look up what I looked up. Oh, there's going to be a lot of backs. Okay, I looked up Bitcoin CME futures gap, and then I came over here, and it's called BTC1 charts and quotes on TradingView, and it actually gives you a lot of technical information that I'm actually going to start using more from now on, because I didn't really know what the exponential moving averages were compared to the simple moving averages, compared to the daily moving averages. So these are some of the things I can learn from my research trying to help you guys. So, and myself as well, because I'm trying to figure out what's going on for me, but then I want to relay the message to you guys to give you hope and to let you know, hey, is it time to sell? Is the Bitcoin market over? I don't think it is, guys. I was actually asking myself the same question today. Is the Bitcoin bull market over? What, did I miss something? Is all of my research and all of the skills that I have for recognizing the end of a market and knowing when to sell my Bitcoin? Look what happened last time. At 60,000, I took profits because I know what I'm doing. But the market can trick you sometimes like this. I was not expecting to go back anywhere into the 30,000s right now. It was not necessary. That's why I was like, was there a CME gap? That would be the only necessary reason to go down and touch the 30,000s again. We're done with the 30,000s. We already did the 30,000s and we had a hard time in them. Remember how hard it was to get from 30 over the $42,000 marker? And now we're sitting right at that crucial level that decides, are we going to move up? Or are we going to go back down in that hardcore $30,000 range? And if that is the case, I might have to call the bull market, guys. I don't want to do it. I don't think it's the end of the bull market, guys. But with what Bitboy Crypto did, it caused this right here. I don't think it's the end of the market. That's what I was saying. I was thinking about this earlier. I'm like, okay, did he cause the end of the bull market? I don't think so, guys. Now, I could be wrong. It could continue to go further down, but I don't think so. I want to at least make you leave this video with a little bit of hope, because I'm not selling. If I really thought this was the end of the bull market, I would sell at 41,000, because it will go to 30, and then it will go to 20. And then it will go to maybe 15, maybe not, maybe 20. I think the lowest it'll ever go from now on is probably about 20,000, maybe 18. We might go to 10 again. I doubt it. I doubt we'll ever see 10 again. Honestly, if Elon Musk couldn't break the bull market, I don't think that Bitboy Crypto could. But this is my message to you, Bitboy. Be careful with what you say, bro. Please. That's all I'm asking you. You have a position of power. So when you move your little gum flaps, that means other people are hearing with their ear flaps. So your gum flaps go and people's ear flaps go at the same time. You know, it's kind of weird how, voices and hearing works like that. You talk and people hear. You can erase it, but there's still pictures and everything else out there. So, yeah. I know the same thing because I've actually had a couple live streams that bombed. And you can check one of them out yesterday. I bombed that live stream because I couldn't share on Reddit. It was so funny. But yeah, I have a lot of problems with technology. I'm not even going to take that off of there because that's like, just raw me right there. I don't care. I was getting mad at technology because technology sucks sometimes. It doesn't let you do what you want to do. And a lot of technology is programmed in with artificial intelligence, right? So it has a pre-programmed thing that it always does. So you start this on motion, and you're thinking you're doing one thing, but the artificial intelligence is telling the technology to do another thing. And so like autocorrect, that is a perfect example of AI gone wrong. You're trying to type something, and it keeps changing your words on you, and then you end up sending something to somebody that actually makes absolutely no sense, thanks to autocorrect. So, yeah. But Bitcoin is not dead, guys. I am not calling the end of the end of the bull market yet. I almost was thinking about it today. I was like, it was running through my head, like, for real. Like, did I miss something? Like, am I out of the loop? Like, what is going on here? Like, am I that far away from what's going on? I don't think that's the case. I just think that this was a big sell-off brought on by Bitboy Crypto saying, hey, you need to take your profits. It's the end of the bull market. In a couple of weeks, take them profits off the table. What do you think people did? They took profits off the table. because that's what the influencer told them to do, right? Not financial advice, he says, of course, but you know people are going to listen to that, and you scared people, man. You scared the daylights out of people, and I don't know why you would do that. I know you did. Actually, look at the context, guys. I don't want to bash on Bitboy because I don't think he meant to do what he did. I think he was trying to give us good information, and it got twisted up somewhere. Now, I'm only saying that because I've heard his comments on the videos and everything. And then I don't just take, oh, he said this is it. No, I'm taking, okay, what he said in the tweet, I put over here. And then I take what he said, you know, in his new videos, and I put them over here. And then I think about it and I decide both. I'm like, okay, what is my decision on Bitboy? Did he do this intentionally? Did he have a big old short position in there waiting for I don't think he did. I don't think it was intentional. I think he was trying to give people good news about the end of the bull market, and instead of it coming across that way and being like, okay, this is when I think the top is going to be, like everybody's saying. They're thinking, oh, this is when the top is going to be. He said it in a way that probably didn't come across right. I am one that has done that before, so I can understand that. But he did retract it, and he did say it didn't come across right. So I did a lot of my own research, and I came up with the conclusion that it was an honest mistake. I am giving him 100% benefit of the doubt on that. But I don't think it was any ill will. I did a video about it the other day, but this one is not just about Bitboy. I just wanted to mention that of why I think the market might have went down. He unintentionally caused a sell-off. And that's what I think. He has over 1 million subscribers, and they all buy and sell Bitcoin, most of them at least. Or they're going to, or have, or, you know somebody who has, or there's a reason they're subscribed to Bitboy. You know. So, but look at this. So I wake up today. I'm actually thankful that I bought the graph, guys, because I actually even bought more today. When I saw it was down, guys, I bought more. Bitcoin was at 41, and the graph was sitting down at 66.23, which is at 66.85 now. And so I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to put another $304 in here. And now it's actually going a lot higher than what I had bought in. Actually, it's only $10 higher because when I put 304, it was at 3,000. Well, it was a little below because of the fee, but it was right around like 2,990 or 80 or something like that. And now it's at 3,010. I think it was a good move because the graph didn't dump as much as Bitcoin did. It did go down to 63, which I wish I could have got it at 63, but it was only there for a second. Trying to get those bottom ones like that, you're not going to do it very often. I've done it a couple times. Like with AMP, but then AMP just kept going down. That was like, oh cool, I caught it at the bottom. Yeah, man, I've never really been able to catch it at the bottom before. And then it was the bottom for like a day. And then it made a new bottom and a new bottom. I'm like, oh, I thought I had the bottom. It's pretty cool though. But yeah, the graph, look at this thing. You cannot go wrong with the graph. Okay, 66, this is my dream. Oh my goodness. Imagine if I would have bought in at 21 cents again. If you remember correctly, I'm going to show all of you that didn't know. This was the biggest purchase of my life and would have made me quite wealthy. Well, not wealthy, but well off. I could have bought a house. Let's see here. Oh, looks like we're... Oh, right here. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. 31,276 GERT, the graph, at 29 cents. Can you believe that? January 11th, 2011. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. If I would have had, let's look how much 31,276 graph are right now. Okay, let's buy... flip this over here. 31,276 graph. Let's see how much cash that is. I almost don't want to do it. Ooh! $21,792. Okay, just from right here. And this is a low point in the graph. Imagine when it went to 280 or something. I mean, wow. So, I think this is going to be a good purchase. I hope if the market keeps going down, I might be done for. This might be a long-term buy at that point, because when it ends up doing this, if it keeps going down, I'm toast. I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to have to basically gear in for crypto winter at that point and just hold, and like I did the last 3 months that it bear marketed us. So that was a rough 3 months for me, man. I'm not gonna lie, it was a tough 3 months to, watch my money just go away. And then it finally started to come back, guys. I mean, it finally started to come back. I was at $12,190, and boom, it all gets just drug away. It's like, man, you're doing good, boom. Okay, well, let's start to recover. Okay, we're starting to recover, we're starting to do good, Huh? Huh? It was actually at $8,000 today, guys. Yeah, $8,814. So that's how low we went today. $8,814. So basically I lost over $4,000 in the last month. $4,000 I lost. That's a third of my entire profit that I lost. Or my entire investment. A third of my entire investment is gone in less than a month. But let's hope and pray that it's going to get better and things are going to recover. Now, I didn't say Bitcoin could go to 38,000. I'm still sticking with that. It did go to 39.6, but I'm not counting that as 38. I'm counting that as 40 still. I said it's not going to go to 38,000. I still don't believe it's going to. It didn't have to. I honestly don't think it even needed to go to 38.96. The only reason that happened is so somebody could buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price, because they know it's in the 40,000s now. Now, all those were the people that didn't want to buy it when we were at 39,000 the first time and we weren't able to get above that $40,000 level. Now they're like, oh, let's get it back down to 39. We need it at those levels. So just remember, when in doubt, zoom out. Because if you look back, we're at 29, we're at 30,000 for a very, 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 very long time. Months, guys. We were in 30,000 for months. So us sticking around in the $40,000 area for August, September, months, is probably what is going to happen. That's what a healthy market does. Now, this all happened because of Elon Musk, because of Tesla, because of everything else that was going on in Bitcoin, and because Bitcoin's just boss daddy. So we might have a bigger market this time, but it's not going to go as fast. That's why I say December, guys. I'm not thinking we're going to have a blow off top in October, not with the prices at 40,000 still. Now, if we were in the 50,000, high 50,000 areas, getting ready to move into the $60,000 range, and he's saying, yeah, the end of September, early October, then I would be like, maybe. But no, it's going along with the exact pattern from the past. It's following 2017 to a T. A beautiful, beautiful, let's say to a B. A Bitcoin. It's following it right to a Bitcoin pattern. It's following it right to its own. So let's just watch this price. I don't know what's going to happen. Honestly, that from one thing that I can honestly tell you guys, I don't know what's going to happen. I hope that Bitcoin goes up. I am almost guaranteeing that it's not the end of the bull market, guys. So just stay strong. Trust me, I lost $4,000 in a month. I know how it hurts. And the thing is, if Bitboy didn't sell, he's in the loss a lot right now too. So the only way that, if this was a plan of his, which I don't think it was, guys, come on. He probably would have sold all of his crypto, and then been like, okay, it's the top. He didn't do that. he would have made a video about it or something, right? So come on, okay? Lay off Bitboy a little bit, okay? He did delete the tweet. I don't think he meant to do this. I'm going to give him the same benefit of the doubt that I gave to Elon Musk, right? And I didn't get mad at him like everybody else did. Just know, Bitboy, some people are going to be mad at you about this. Not me. I forgive you. It's okay, bro. You know, you're human. You make mistakes. That's okay. Just know that your words have a big impact on people and that you obviously can control the market with your tweets. So just like Elon, you have a lot of power with your mouth. So use it for good. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is? Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!